Hi, Wilfred and Rosanne! I would like to greet you both and congratulations and best wishes. Finally, natuloy na rin yung wedding niyo Masaya ako para sa inyong dalawa. So, ang wish ko sa inyo, sana, long time or forever yung relationship niyo forever. Tsaka, yun, lagi kayong magmamahalan sa isa't isa. Lagi niyong iintindi ng bawat isa. Lagi, basta, always. Tsaka, wag na wag kakalimutan si God na maging center ng love niyo pareho. So, I wish you all both the best. And congratulations. Best wishes. So, yun. Mag-build kayo ng masayang family. So, all the way from here in Arizona, I wish you both a congratulations and best wishes. To all my batchmates there, hello sa inyong lahat, regards. At saka yun, ingat kayo guys. I miss you both. Bye and see you soon.